If you're looking for the latest XArena game mode for your Infinix phone, stay with me because I'll show you the fastest way to download it in 2026. Many users can't find XArena after updating their phone or aren't sure where to get the newest version. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process, step by step, so you can install XArena safely and avoid common mistakes. Let's get started and download the latest XArena game mode for your Infinix phone.